Have you ever been in an airport and you just want a pillow, you just want a neck pillow, and then you got to spend $40 for it? Yeah, I've been there too, but this is the NapFun neck pillow, and the only reason why I agreed to do this is because of the price, and I had faith that it would be completely comfortable based on descriptions and stuff like that. And you know what? For the price, I was right. So let's just look at what you get in this NapFun neck pillow. This is 100% pure memory foam neck pillow with some chin support and that double layered pillow cover on there, which is machine washable. You get a travel kit, which is a sleep mask, 2 earplugs, and a travel bag here, all right now for the low price of something like $16. There's a $4 coupon that you clip on there. So you know, for the bundled pack that you get for $16 or so, you can't beat this. I've been in airports, like I said, and they just want to steal your money. But if you think ahead, if you ever travel once a year, whatever, I've had this for a month now, yeah, you're gonna end up using this. Now on the inside, you get a zipper bag, which I store the eye mask itself for sleepy time. A different type of eye mask, which this is just feels so silky smooth, extremely silky smooth. So you have this one and you have this one, which is, I guess, a blackout version, but this one's just so comfortable. This is the one that I would use. It's ungodly silky smooth right through here. And here's your double earplug pack. So there it is. And the showstopper, the show stealer here is the neck pillow itself, which this is actually easy to put back in its own bag if you roll it up nice and tight. And you can feel the true memory foam of this thing. You give it just a little bit to air itself out, it will plump itself up really fast. But this is good, tacky feeling memory foam. It's not fake foam feeling at all. This feels like the actual real deal. And here you can clamp this together around your head to keep this nice and tight, and it's not coming undone, which is great. And now we're ready for business. It's plumped up, so let's try this thing on. And you can actually just fall asleep sitting up or in a passenger seat of your vehicle, on an airplane, what have you. And like I said, you might look like an idiot, but this feels beyond belief fantastic. So this is a branded product, and here is the zipper that exposes the foam, and you can take this right off. It unzips all the way across, and it was really easy to get this actual cover on and off. This is a branded NapFun product. It sculpts great to my shoulders. You can see here the sculpting going on for my shoulders to fit right up into, which fits fantastically. And this is, you can retract each side of this thing, but personally I leave it all the way up to where it wants to kind of want to choke me, but not really. It's just getting me good and sealed in there. There's a release button behind this, which will release this peg here. But it actually holds, and everything holds correctly, so that I can just sit like this. And this is me completely relaxing my head right now, and I can go off to sleep town. That's a good thing, because these pillows in the airport, like I said, are over double the price. And I can just lay like this, and this is completely comfortable. You don't need that strong, that ridge thing that goes up here and all this stupid mess. This, it tightens the perfect amount all the way up, and then you're just like in a comfort zone. And that memory foam is so thick. It's not a cheap foam, so it doesn't give a lot. It doesn't like just give and relax. This stuff is gooey and thick and solid, like 100% pure memory foam, which is hard to believe because Tempur-Pedic, you would think, has the rights for that kind of style, but this feels like 100% pure memory foam, and it feels good. And you complete the deal by doing this number here, And whoa, 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 whoa. Man, you're like in Dreamville. That just feels fantastic. Feels good. And the other one that you can put on if you want to, I guess, you can go blackout. And I guess you could even double this up if you wanted to, if you wanted to get crazy. I don't know why you would do that, but you could. But regardless, this is a good deal. And I think this has my personal vote for the best sleep travel pillow on the market, because I haven't felt this type of foam ever. A lot of them are the small beads. A lot of them are more cushion than memory foam. It's just like actual foam. And this is molded here, cutouts for my jawline that goes in here as well. So there's a lot of thought into leaving my ear exposed, having a place for my jaw to sit. But I was glad to be able to get this product and to just show this to you, and how I think, in my opinion, that if you're traveling, that this guy is by far the best choice for you to travel with, because the price is insanely low for this. And if you've ever been out and about and you need this and you didn't bring that, then you know what I'm talking about, because those prices are insane. So go ahead and buy this in advance now, and you'll never know when you're going to use it. And for the price, for the $16 currently, that is insanely cheap for what you get. I promise. I know what I'm talking about with these kind of things. So make sure to explode on that subscribe button and ding that bell so you get notified on the next affordable, fantastic product that you must have. This is sculpted to you. My back, shoulders, chin, ears. Great design. I love it. It's the NapFun neck pillow. See ya.